Easy in 1 minute.
This has been such a roller coaster year. And sometimes you just feel like pulling up. Well, you just get so frustrated because how can you do a budget when you cannot even figure out what the next 12 months are going to look like? Well, let us suggest rolling budgets. First, create a detailed budget of just the first quarter of your next 12 months. This budget will have as much information, justification, and accuracy as possible, just like any normal budget. Then you tag on an outline budget for the remaining 3 quarters of the year. This is an overview forecast that doesn't get too caught up with the nitty-gritty. And it shouldn't take too long to complete either. In 3 months' time, you redo this whole process, but this time your detailed budget is for the second quarter, your Q2. And it would have taken into account all the latest developments and updates. Keep on doing this and you will always have numbers that are current, a 12-month view on your radar, and a budget that is consistently relevant.
Easy in 1